Maybe your boyfriend is having a hard time in a particular class, his new boss is really driving him over the edge, or he's just feeling a little down. You can still send him positive thoughts, even over text. And I'm going to show you how to make your boyfriend happy over text. But remember, don't use this as a replacement for face-to-face communication. Texting should be used as a supportive tool. If you find yourself texting him more often than you see him, this is not a good method of communication for your relationship. 1. Wish him a good morning and a good night. Who doesn't love getting good morning and good night texts from someone you love? Those are the sweetest texts you could ever get. If you know he has a stressful day at work coming up, send him a sweet and lovely good morning text. Add in an emoji for fun. You can also make these texts a tradition when you wake up together. 2. Send him a single emoji. Who knew that there are times where emojis can say more than words? Well, they can. If your words fail you, sometimes an image can say it all for you. Send him an "in love" emoji, or if he's coming over later, send him the infamous eggplant. These small messages will brighten up his day. 3. Send him a funny meme. Memes have become a staple in most of our lives. Why else do we use Instagram? Okay, for selfies, but also for the memes. If you find a funny meme or a meme that reminds you of him, send it to him. It'll bring a smile to his face, and he'll be happy to see you two connecting. 4. Flirt with him over text. You heard me, flirt with him. Just because you've been together for a while, doesn't mean you can't flirt with him. Get flirty, girl. Send him a cheeky text message or a naughty photo. It's a great way to capture his attention and get him excited about seeing you later on. 5. Send him cute texts. When you send him a cute and mushy text message, how can he not fall in love with you all over again? By sending him a cute text, you'll bring a goofy smile to his face. But, do you know which texts to send him?